Every reporting team is really chasing the same thing. Your systems spit out workbooks. Your clients expect a fact sheet that looks the same every period. In between sits a person copying, calculating and checking under a deadline. Until now, automating this meant picking your poison. Either slow to onboard but reliable, or fast but unauditable. I'm Michel, co-founder of Octigen, and I'm about to show you how we get you to automated, systematic reporting without these trade-offs. Let's start. Here's the dilemma. You throw more people at it and it doesn't scale. Hand it to engineering and it works in months. And now your report lives in an engineering queue. The real price is a pipeline an analyst can run alone, with no engineer in the loop. The obvious shortcut is to hand it all to AI. But AI alone brings two problems. A, it's non-deterministic. The same data can come out different next month, so you never stop checking. And it's a black box. When something's wrong, all you can do is shout prompts at it, and fixing one thing may break another. Here is Octigen's answer. AI helps an analyst build the pipeline, then steps out of the way. Here is how. Our pipeline consists of 4 pieces. The template, simply your PowerPoint with sample data. Data collections, 1 per source sheet, each knowing how to find the right file for a fund and a date. Third, transformations, reshaping raw sheets into exactly what a chart or table needs. And the workflow, wiring each table to its shape. Set them up once and reporting becomes new data in, fact sheet out. You can build all 4 by hand, and for unusual data you may want to, but we thought a machine should work most of it out from an example, so we built one. Our reporting onboarding needs 3 things: the template, the source workbooks for 1 month, and, importantly, a finished report built exactly from that data. That sample is the ground truth. The assistant checks its own work against it. Before it starts, it counts the shapes it would connect and shows a cost. 20 credits each, about $2. This fact sheet has 8 shapes, so about $16. Note, you are only charged for shapes that come out well. If it can't get one right against your sample, you don't pay for it. From here, it runs on its own, so I'm speeding the footage up. The clock is real time. It reads your sample to learn what each shape needs, builds the collections and transformations to match, then scores its own output against your sample and fixes what doesn't add up, for up to 3 rounds. The clock is now at 15 minutes and I didn't touch anything. Now, what did it actually build? Source files, transformations, the shapes on your slide, and every node previews the data flowing through it. Nothing's a black box. For example, this transformation feeds the monthly performance table, a list of plain steps. Sort by date, compute fund and benchmark returns, select the columns and transpose. Each step previews its own data. Modify any step or add your own. That's the deal. AI does the tedious 80% and hands you something you can read and correct, not something you just have to trust. Next month, the whole job is this. Drop the new workbooks into the landing zone. They match themselves to the right collections. Open the workflow, enter the fund and the date, generate. No AI runs here. Every value was resolved from your data by rules you can inspect. Same data, same deck every time. Which is the only way this is usable for something a client receives. This is the whole idea in one picture. AI where judgment helps at onboarding, with an analyst reviewing every step, and a deterministic machine where nothing should be left to chance. Octigen's Report Onboarding is in alpha today. If you produce recurring reports, try it and tell us where it shines and how we can make it even better for your case. Thank you.